Now let's look at the differences. These candles are all made from the same wax and poured in the same size of silicone molds. And I didn't use heat gun to warm up the mold before I pour. My room temperature is kind of high, 76, so I really don't have to warm up the molds. But if your room temperature is much lower, especially in winter time, and if you are using different type of molds, for sure you will get different result. Now let's have a look. 180, 170. These two candles are stable. They can stand still. Their buttons are pretty flat. That means you don't have to fix the button after the candles are done. So they are good to go. But from 160, then 150, 140, their buttons are not flat. The candles are wobbling. That means you will have to fix the bottom to make them flat so that they can stand still. That's the first difference, the button. Okay, and the second big difference is the jump lines. 160, 170, 180, they all came out perfect. The surface beautiful, no jump lines, no air bubbles, beautiful. The only thing about 160, you will just have to fix the button a little because it's not flat. And 150, some light jump lines started to show up here, a little bit air bubble. And 140, more jump lines and more air bubbles. Lots of jump lines here actually in the bottom. Lots of jump lines, lots of air bubbles. Actually from 145, the wax started to solidify and it's getting hard to pour. So I won't recommend to pour under 145 if you are using silicone mold. So that's two big differences. And now you know if you are using silicone molds to make pillar candles, I would really recommend to pour around between 170 to 180. That way you get the best result.